Red rice salad with mango, avocado and greens. Prepare the ingredients. Cook the rice. Finely chop 1 handful of mint. Finely chop 1 handful of parsley. Finely shred 1 handful of baby spinach. Chop 2 mangoes into bite-sized pieces. Chop 1 avocado into bite-sized pieces. For the dressing, add the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of orange rind, and the juice of 1 orange. Add salt and pepper and stir. To serve, place in a large bowl the 4 cups of cooked red rice, the chopped parsley and mint, the avocado, the baby spinach, the mango and the walnuts. Add the dressing. Mix gently until the ingredients are evenly distributed. Place in a bowl and serve.